Hi, welcome to the Power of Care Spotlight. I'm Larry Moliterno with Meridian Community Care. And we're here today with Tim Hilk, who is the Executive Director of the YMCA. Welcome, Tim.
Thank you for having me.
Now, you've been in the Valley now for about a year and a half.
About a year and a half, yes.
And you have a long history with the Y. And what are some of the things that you've done with the Y?
Oh, I 30 years with the Y now. Starting off in Trumbull County because I'm a Youngstown State graduate. So, we spent my wife and I spent 20 years in the state of Michigan working at various YMCAs. And now we've been back in Youngstown, very happily so.
That's great. So, and I know that the Y has been very progressive over the years of trying to really address the issues that kids are facing these days. And I know a lot of the programs we were talking a little bit earlier, special needs programs for kids. Just give us a sense of kind of the philosophy of the Y when it comes to some of these issues.
Well, the Y is about youth development, healthy living, social responsibility. And in Youngstown, at our three branches, what we're trying to do is provide children opportunity. Not only physically, but also mentally and spiritually. We have programs at all three facilities that promote wholeness for kids, and then of course healthy living, social responsibility, our healthy living activities for all, because the Y is a cradle to grave organization. We've got parents carrying their children in, and through our programs. For seniors, our older active adults are active until the end of life.
Well, I know for me it's very similar to a lot of the things that we're trying to do at Meridian, which is to say, again, it has to be about the entire person, and the entire health, physically, mentally, spiritually, as you said, but also recognizing that if the family's not together, then that's going to, you really can't have much success. And I know the Y is very supportive of the family.
Absolutely, and I think that's centristic in our philosophy. When we talk about youth development and healthy living and social responsibility, it all centers around the family, both good and bad. I mean, we've got some very strong families in the Valley, and then we have some families that are struggling as well. And the Y, like your organization, is one of those organizations that helps to provide services to the family to help them grow. So strengthening families is a key part of what we do.
And we know the challenges that kids are facing these days.
Absolutely.
And one of the issues that I know the Y has taken on full steam is the issue of childhood obesity. And I know that you've been busy creating a community coalition around that issue.
Absolutely. We've, like yourself, we've asked a number of community leaders to step on and to assist us with this childhood obesity initiative. It's not intended to be another program. It's intended to be a systematic and integration change, so that we change the culture. And you see these across the country. I mean, the mayor of New York City banning soda pop in certain sizes. That's a childhood obesity initiative. So those kinds of things. So we're working with the school system. We're working with local governments. We're looking at road commissions and so on, and how to promote health and healthy living.
And hopefully, as we can have our communities be more accessible to programs with kids. We always talk about this, but when we were younger, your parents kind of set you off and you were on your way all day. But we're a little bit more protective these days. We have to have more environments for kids to be able to have those kinds of things, make more neighborhoods more walkable. And I think that's why this coalition, I think, is going to be really successful. And we appreciate the fact that YMCA's leadership in taking on this issue. If folks want more information about the Y, how can they go about it?
Simply give us a call, or of course, go onto our website. So you'll find all the information that you would need there.
And we'll list this information on this video as we send it out.
Okay.
And please get more information about the work of the YMCA. And Tim, I want to thank you very much for being here today.
Thank you, Larry.